Sharon.
And I'm Mark.
And we are Ponderosa Garden Adventures.
Okay, welcome to Ponderosa Garden Adventure. Today we're going to be planting a zucchini squash. This is the heirloom Black Beauty plant. I've already planted one. I'm going to put a folding trellis between them. Put the other one in this hole and put the folding trellis between them to grow up on. So I'll hang that for later. I've already dug a hole. It's roughly twice the size of the container it's in. And this is the dirt. There's a friendly earthworm right there. So I'm gonna hang on to him. Make sure he's in my, I'm gonna put him over on the other one there. In the pail, I have some garden soil. I'm gonna blend this with the soil that I dug out of the hole. And that's to amend this soil, give it a little more organic nutrients, and also helps aerate, and it's good for drainage. So about equal parts soil and dirt and gardening soil. Alright, and then I'm just going to mix it up. Get a nice kind of brown, dark brown loam. Okay, you can pick out if you see roots or rocks or anything like that, you can pick those out. But this looks pretty smooth. Alright. Now I'm going to put some in here. If you go below the plant, so I'll just put a couple of handfuls. And as I go along, I'm going to measure the height of the plant. I want the top of the soil in the container to be the same height as the dirt around it. And one way I can measure that is take the handle of this garden tool, measure. You can see I'm about, actually almost right there, about a 1/4 inch more to do it. Just toss a little bit more down there. Pack it down, but not too hard. Give it room for the roots to grow in. Now I'm going to put some fertilizer in there. I'm using a combination of 3 different organic fertilizers. One is EB Stone's Quick Start, which is about a 4.62 on the NPK scale, and then it's got Epsom salts for some sulfur and milorganite. So it has a little bit of nitrogen to the mix. All right, so just sprinkle some right on the bottom like that, and that's where the root ball is going to go, so let's immediately get some nutrients. And then I'm going to mix some of that into my topsoil too. So I'm going to put this in this. I'm going to use this to fill in around the plant. And just take a like this and mix it in. It doesn't have to be really thick, not a lot of it. This is organic, so it's going to dissolve slowly. So you don't need to hit it with a lot of it. All right, now I'm going to put the plant in here. It looks like I'm right about the level I want it to be. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. All right, I miscalculated that one. Put a little bit more. Again, doesn't hurt to have a little more than you need. I'm going to put the plant in. I'm going to backfill the dirt that I just amended around the sides so that the roots will be encouraged to grow outward into the hole we've provided. I'll move this over here and just carefully fill in. I'm doing it while it's in the container because that way the hole will shape a hole exactly to the size of the container. And when I take the plant out, it will fall, the root ball will fit exactly into the hole that's left behind. Get that all the way around and press it down a little bit. Okay, looking good. All looking really good. Alright. It's a nice healthy plant. Again, I got this as a seedling. You can see now I got it with just these 2 leaves, and it's got 2 huge leaves, another 2 coming out, and so I think it's about the right time to get it into the ground. So I'm going to gently lift it out using both hands, and we've already put the fertilizer down, so all I have to do is turn it over, drop it out, and plop it in. I'm going to put my fingers either side of the stalk and carefully turn it over. I'm not grasping the stalk, I'm just putting them there for support. Carefully turn it over, because sometimes these root balls will collapse. Try to get one shape. It's very wet, so I don't need to add any water. And just plunk it down, press it down, get it in there. It's okay if there's a little depression around it, that will help water collect. All right, now I'm ready to put the trellis down. If you think of the trellis. Now I'm going to give it a dose of water. Needs and other kinds of growth. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure and click like and subscribe to our channel if you would like to watch future videos. Thank you.